In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Axiom Pro. Now, of course, if you want to create an Axiom account, you're going to have to go to axiom.trade. This is the only official website, so make sure you don't get scammed. Also, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can click on that link and you'll get to this exact website. And if you use that link to sign up, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Now, here, once you're on the website, click on Start Trading. Over here, you have to enter in your email and you want to enter in the code. So your invite code, if you want a 10% discount, should be IHT. So make sure to use this. It's just 3 letters, IHT, and then enter in your email and you can just sign up. Or of course, you can also sign up with Google or connect with Phantom over here, but make sure you use this code so you don't miss out on the 10% trading fees. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.